Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be a tour guide on our journey to Fatum Nasi. My name is Ellen and I hope you all enjoy at this time. Okay ladies and gentlemen, has a very beautiful tourism park and is still very natural and beautiful. Fatum Nasi presents a very enchanting natural panorama of the mountains where the air is very cool and very comfortable. In addition to the panoramic views of the mountains, which are very enchanting, the tour also presents a tour of very rare plants, namely natural bonsai hundreds of years old that grow naturally with mossy stem branches which present a very beautiful gems to be immortalized. Ladies and gentlemen, the total distance that will be traveled from the city of Soet to Fatum Nasi is around 40 kilometers, and the travel time, if it is non-stop, is about 3 hours. The route conditions are partly paved, and part of the route is Marakam or unpaved. In the Fatum Nasi, there is also a typical Eastern Inn or Umak Bubu with a per night rate of 200,000 rupiah. There are also favorite photo spots so along the way. Ladies and gentlemen can capture the moment by taking picture spot in the Fatum Nasi area. Is Fatum Nasi, Nefokanka, Tunua Village, Ajabaki Hill, Tunua Village Mine, Nubui Hill, and Nature Reserve Mount Mutis as excellent. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your participation on our brief tour today. I hope we can meet again next time. So, thank you for today and goodbye.